got it, and Iggy thinks she got it too. But me and Lil Kim get together and we gon' smash on you. And talking shit, then I'm rich as fuck. And your man smacking my ass when he all in my gut. I try to tell these motherfuckers I'm real, independent till I die, so made. Fuck a record deal. I talk a whole lot of shit, cause that's just what I'm good at. Hit up the parking lot with sex, sleeping with a man. I stepped up my game and I'm getting recognition. I know if I fell in love with a stripper, I'd be paying tuition. I ain't paying for features, but all over your speakers. I got the game real sick, like it's running a fever. You other rappers getting too much credit. I get it, diamonds making niggas famous these days, and I'm offended. I'ma be at the top in a second, and I don't really blame you for feeling so threatened. Nobody speaks the fucking truth anymore. Songs ain't even about life anymore. All they talking about is getting fucked up more, and how they beats in the trap. Fucking groupie whores, I'm doing me, and I'm catching attention. I got the